What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, literally like every single video, I need to request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon, join the Discord that's just recently been launched. Let's get the numbers up, the views up, comments, shares, subscribes, Discord members, the lot. And yeah, so I don't really have too much else to say, so let's get into this one. Puma. So everyone knows how I have a very soft spot for Puma. Oh, I love Puma. When I relaunched the channel, I basically started with Pumas. I wasn't really buying many Nikes then because it just was like Puma were doing a bit better then. So I got the Pumas out. Green Puma box. It's either this green Puma box, green and white, or it's the red and white. RSX Efekt EFEKT. So as you can see straight away, as soon as I've opened the box, this colorway is meant to be triple white. If you want to be technical about it, these are not triple white. These have beige, cream and white, so they are kind of like not triple white. However, still a good shoe. Yeah, so still a good shoe. I still love them. I've got 2 pairs of triple blacks. Triple whites, will I double up? No. I just have to say that straight off the bat. Puma are lucky that I have a beige, so literally this color tracksuit that is Puma that goes with these, so it's beige and white. Otherwise they kind of would have gone back because I just wanted an all white pair, because obviously all white goes with more things. This still will, so I'm not knocking them 100%, but it's just, the colors do look different online. In person they look a bit different. I wanted all white. These are creamish, grayish and white mixed, but I still really do like them. So just personal opinion or whatever, preference, I still really like them. We'll start off with the bottom. We've got that Puma RSX sole in that kind of creamy off-white colorway. Not gonna lie, I like it more with the creamy off-white because white will get dirty instantly. Creamy off-white, it's a bit different. It's a bit different to white, so it's a bit less likely to get dirty as quick. It still will, obviously. Information, Puma RS-X, and then the Puma logo. Midsole, we've got that famous midsole in that creamish colorway. Then at the bottom we have suede going literally up and down. That's quite cool to do actually, or fun. Yeah, so we've got that suede layer going. It actually wraps around all the way to the other side. Then we've got, obviously, if you see the base of the shoe or the starting of the shoe, if you took all this stuff off, it is mesh, so white mesh all on the underneath. Again, wraps around, goes all around. Then we've got a little tab here. It's not a lace, it's not a pull tab for to put on, or it could be. I don't know, it's just information. There is a proper pull tab, heel tab there. And then this bit, which I really like, the RSX in the rubber on the back. We've got the plastic going around, so like a kind of heel cup covers the heel. Then we've got a bit of suede, but this is not the same suede as we have there, the wraparound suede. And then we've got a sticker with the Puma logo. We've also got it feels leathery, yeah, it is leather, so obviously synthetic leather on the Puma logo. I call it the Puma swoosh all the time. People might hate it when I do that, but that's what it is to me, the Puma swoosh. And then we've got that's the same suede that's on the back, but it's just, you know, involved with one of the lace loops. Then we've got that same sort of suede across the front. What I really like about this pair though is it is, you know, a majority mesh. However, most of that mesh has been covered up, and especially this bit, so that's like a felt material. This will get dirty, but it's much easier to clean than the mesh. So you can, or I hope it's much easier to clean, but usually it is. But if they do get dirty, you can always stick them in the washing machine, cold wash. Never ever put your sneakers in the washing machine on a warm hot wash. They will separate, so the sole will come apart, these will come apart, you won't be able to wear them, or probably do something else to your shoes, melt them, whatever. So cold wash if you do want to wash them. I definitely think they will need a cold wash once I start wearing them. But yeah, that smooth suede on the toe box, and then the mesh underneath, bit more suede, so same suede. You know, it's got a lot of panels on this sneaker, you know, a lot of stuff. So if they were like multicolored, they'll be crazy, but you know, it's kept to that kind of very light cream, kind of slightly darker cream, light cream, slightly darker, like a magnolia color. Then we've got that suede, two different colors suede. It is two different colors, and you can actually tell on the camera. So that kind of a bit more rougher suede, a bit more smoother suede, two different beigey colors, and then the rest white. Laces, I love these laces on the Pumas. Reason being is because, you know, they just look way better on the shoe. And then obviously we still have that mesh going on the tongue. And then we've got another kind of, you know, the ribbon, same as the lace, as the pull tab, but we've got one on the tongue. It says RSX. And then again, you can see that suede pops up. So, you know, a lot of suede on this shoe. You know, it's good. I don't mind it. I'm usually leather over suede type of guy. So if they have leather versions of this, you know, RSX Efekt, if they have the RSX Efekt, I'm just going to call them the Effects now. If they have different colors in a leather, oh my days, I would love that. Puma, please listen to me, because I know someone from Puma is watching these videos, because last time I said change the tongue of the RSX, make it shorter. You did that, so I'm so happy with these. So if you are watching, you know, contact my email, man. Have a look at all the other videos and stuff, all the Puma stuff. I love Puma. Send me some freebies, people. We got that cream-ish Puma running system insole. Just in case anyone hasn't seen it, it is very, very similar to every insole that is on all the Pumas. So that running system one, so it's got the cushiony bit there, and when you turn it around, it is blue, like a royal blue. It says Puma running system, or Puma logo and then running system. This is actually comfortable. Just a small trick for everyone. What I actually do with this is I will take these out of the Pumas. So obviously I can't wear every trainer every day. So for example, this pair, I'll take this out of the Pumas, stick them in the Louboutins, in the high-end trainers, in the even the Valentinos. I'll stick them in those, wear them around, and it's just 10 times better, way more comfortable because of that, you know, shock absorption stuff. But yeah, people, that's enough waffling from me for today. Let me know if you like them, let me know if you hate them, tell me if you rate them or whatever. Check out the other review with the black pair. Beautiful shoes. I love this model. Definitely will be buying more colors. Wait a few moments for the on foot video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, join the Discord, and most importantly, take care, people.